Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's get into today's video. The first thing you want to do is to ensure that you detangle the section of hair properly. After that, I'm going to split this piece of hair into two equal parts. Now let's start the actual twist. So I'm putting one section over the other, just as you would do a regular twist. And you'll notice I started very close to the base or the root of my hair, as close as possible as I can. Because my hair is more on the spongy side or has a more spongy texture, I am trying to do this as firmly as I can. Also, try to detangle as you go along. If you feel like there are sections that are tangling, that's normal and that's fine. Now I'm just speeding through this section, repeating the same step over and over again until I get to the end. Once I get to the end, I just twirl the hair around my fingers to create a coil, and that helps the hair, and that kind of just helps the hair to not unravel. Now let's do the incorrect method and then we'll compare both sides. So you'll see that I am not going as close to the base of my hair as I should, and that's me demonstrating, showing you where you're supposed to be doing it as opposed to where I am doing it, since this is the incorrect method. When you twist the hair like this, it will come out very soft and will lack structure. So if you want to achieve a really defined twist out, this method will not be best. Now let's compare. You'll see that one side is firmer. The correct method is firmer, which is better for your twist outs. It will make it more defined. The roots are also much softer. I didn't start close enough to the roots of my hair. The twist itself is also very soft and very frizzy. So if it's already frizzy and I haven't done the twist out already, what's gonna happen when I actually do? Although they look very similar, one will give me much better results, whether it is for a twist out or if I'm doing a protective style. Okay, now I'm going to show you the rope twist method, and I'm going to try my best to explain this. So I start as close to the roots of my hair as I can, and I put one section over the other. So remember, I'm starting with two equal parts and I'm just putting one section over the next. Now I'm going to start twining or twirling each section in the opposite direction that I twist. So if I'm twisting to the right, I'm going to twine to the left. So you'll notice each piece of hair between my thumb and my index finger is going in the opposite direction that I'm twisting. And I'm just going to keep doing this until I get to the end of the twist. So rope twists are perfect for protective styling. A lot of people, if you're doing like, so a lot of persons do rope twists if they're doing like a mini twist, protective style, or you know, you just want your twist to last longer. And this is me just kind of trying to give you a close-up of what the twist looks like. It looks like an actual rope. Rope twists generally last longer. They're less frizzy than like a regular twist. They shrink less and they create a crimped, stretched, twist out, over an extended period. So people generally wear rope twists anywhere between 1 week to about 6 weeks if they're doing it as a protective style. And the rope twist method is usually done when braiding with extensions also. As I'm demonstrating here, my rope twist shrinks way less than a regular twist, which makes it perfect for your, like your mini twist or for protective styling. The roots also keep longer. So I've been wanting to do like a mini beginner series for a while, and it's a new year, we're in 2023, so what better time than now to get this started. This series is going to be called the Hair in Session series, where I just teach you simple things. I will try to keep all the videos under 10 minutes, under 5 minutes if I can, and just share basics, simple things that you need to know when you're combing your hair or learning to comb your hair, whether you're twisting, plaiting, flat twisting, braiding, parting. And you can also drop comments to let me know, what are some things that you struggle with. I am still learning as I go along, but I also just want to share, what I've already learned with you. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel also, and look out for more content just like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.